How to set up WeChat Pay for foreigners. Now, WeChat Pay is actually available on Google Play Store. All you have to do is search for WeChat and then just have to activate it for you to use the WeChat Pay. Now, activating it for foreigners is just one click ahead. All you have to do is again download and install WeChat, activate WeChat Pay, and then link your foreign card by entering your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Now you also need to include or provide your billing address and complete SMS verification like and one-time password. Now real name authentication is actually optional, but it is also recommended. So you just have to go to the Me tab, Pay and Services, and then go to Money, and you're good to go. So that is how you set up WeChat Pay for foreigners.